Hello guys, in this video I want to explain about matrices. A matrix is an arrangement of elements or entries in a rectangular shape arranged in rows or columns. The arrangement of these elements is enclosed in regular brackets or elbow brackets. The elements or entries can be numbers or letters. The basic operation on the matrix includes addition, subtraction, and multiplication of the matrix. The addition and subtraction operations on two matrices can be performed if the two matrices have the same size. The same matrix size is indicated by the rows and columns in the matrix are the same. For example, a matrix with an order of 2 times 2 is added to the matrix with an order of 2 times 2 as well. Whereas in matrix multiplication, the calculation operation can be performed if the first matrix has the same number of columns as the number of rows in the second matrix. For example, a matrix with an order of 2 times 2 is multiplied by a matrix with an order 2 times 3 and the others. Transpose matrix A is a new matrix arranged by writing the first row of matrix A into the first column of the new matrix, the second row of matrix A to the second column of the new matrix, and so on. To indicate that we are transposing a matrix, we add a T to the top right-hand corner of the matrix. For example, matrix 4, 3, 1, 6, 5, 2 transpose to be 4, 1, 5, 3, 6, 2. We can add matrices together as long as their dimensions are the same. Both matrices have the same number of rows and columns. To add two matrices, we add the numbers of each matrix that are in the same element position. For example, is like this. For the elements in bold, it's 8, 8, 3 equal to 11. We can subtract matrices in a similar way to addition, but matrices need to have the same dimension, and we subtract the numbers of the second matrix from the first that are in the same element position. For example, is like this. For the elements in bold, it's 8 subtract 3 equal to 5. The way to perform scalar operations on a matrix is to multiply all the elements of the matrix by the scale. If K is a constant and A is a matrix, then how to do the scalar multiplication operation can be done like this. For example, is like this. We can multiply a matrix A by another matrix B if the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B. For example, is like this. A has 2 rows and 3 columns, and B has 3 rows and 1 columns. So we can multiply A by B. Notice that we can multiply B by A in this particular case because the number of columns in B is not equal to the number of rows in A. For example, is like this. This means that multiplying matrices is not commutative. A multiply B is not equal to B multiply A. To multiply matrices, there's a convention that is followed. Let matrix A, B, C, D, and B, A, F, G, H. Let's look at the first row of A and the first column of B. Element A is multiplied by element E. Element B is multiplied by element G. The value of the element in the first row and first column of A multiplied B is the sum of the products AA plus BG. For example, matrix A with order of 2 times 3, 5, 0, 1, 8, 6 minus 2 multiplied by matrix B with order of 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4 can be solved, and the result is like this. Notice A multiplied B is now A 2 times 1 matrix. Okay, that's all my explanation about matrices. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.